Today, I've got a quick guide for you on how to use a caulking remover tool and replace caulking like a pro. I'm excited to show you how easy it is to give your bathroom or kitchen a fresh and polished look. So let's dive right in. Step 1 is all about removing that old worn out caulking. Start by ensuring the area is clean and dry. Now grab your caulking remover tool. It's a game changer. Hold the spatula part at a 45-degree angle and gently slide it along the old caulk line. If there is remaining residue, I take the scraper head and press the surface down firmly as I move from one end to the other. The grout hook is also good for reaching deep into the gaps. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly it cuts through the caulk, making removal a breeze. Remember to wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from any debris. With the old caulk out of the way, it's time to clean up the surface. Use a scraper or a putty knife to scrape off any remaining bits of caulk. Then wipe the area with a damp cloth to ensure it's clean and dry before moving on. Now let's get to the fun part, applying the new caulk. Choose a high-quality silicone caulk that's suitable for your specific needs, whether it's for a bathroom or kitchen. You can lay down masking tape for a cleaner look. To use the caulk gun, there is a hole to cut the tip of the caulking tube, but I prefer using an X-Acto knife for better precision. Cut the tip of the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle, making sure the hole is just the right size for the bead you want. Next, press the lever and pull the rod back so you can place the caulking tube in there. Hold the caulking gun at a comfortable angle and gently squeeze the trigger as you move along the seam. Keep a steady hand and maintain a consistent speed for a smooth and even application. Now take a caulk head smoothing tool or your soapy finger and run it along the fresh caulk line. This creates that professional looking finish and ensures a tight seal. Wipe away any excess caulk with a damp cloth and remove the masking tape and let it dry. Using a caulking remover tool and replacing caulk might seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, it's a satisfying and achievable DIY project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to tackle this around your home. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Until next time, take care and stay creative.